Welcome to today's video. I'm Kitty. Often people take symbols and joints and ask me if this can be processed with our Swiss type CNC lathe. Today, I would like to introduce the various different applications that our sintering machine can be used in. Robotics industry, joint shafts, gears, finger parts and so on, optical parts, radiators, lens aerials, brackets and the like, automotive parts, interior parts, engine parts, lightweight structural parts, so on. The above industry is just a small part of the Swiss lathe processing fields. More products are also welcome to consult online.